Well, that report by Mariela Muller there. I'd like to welcome now climate scientist Abu Bakr Saleh Babikar from the Climate Prediction and Application Center in Nairobi. Very warm welcome to DW News, sir. We just heard in that report that we just aired that there are some, climate change is having a huge impact on the continent and in Kenya specifically. Can you flesh that out with us? What do you see on the ground?
Great. Thank you very much for having me. Yes, we in East Africa and the whole African continent experiencing the impact of climate change. For example, according to the most recent report from the IPCC, it highlighted that the African continent has been warming faster than the global average. The increase on the sea level around Africa is faster also than the global average. And the frequency of extreme hot events, for example, heat waves, their numbers is also increasing, and there's a decrease on the cold waves. Other extreme events, for example, they became also very common. For example, in the southern part of Africa, we have seen Mozambique has been impacted in 2019 by the strongest tropical cyclones in record. In East Africa, we have also seen increase in extreme events, specifically heavy rainfall and floods that led to wide increase, for example, of the water level in all the lakes in the region. Some of them are, those are called Rift Valley lakes. All of them are expanding historical level.
Right. Now, very dire developments, climatic developments. Now, in a few weeks, the UN Climate Change Conference is being hosted in Glasgow, the COP25. What are your expectations from that meeting?
Yeah, this is a very great question. The COP is really, we are expecting a credible and ambitious rise in the commitment to cut down on greenhouse gases, especially from the developed world. We in Africa contribute only about 3.6 to the global emission of greenhouse gases. So most of the emission, of course, from the developed and some of the developing countries. We would like to see a real credible commitment to cut down on greenhouse gases emission. We would like also to see commitment on financing a green path to the African continent, so that can help the African continent to develop, but to follow a green path instead of carbon emitting development. And moreover, we also would like to see technology transfer between the developed north and the south, so that can also accelerate the green development in the African continent.
Abu Bakr Saleh Babikar from the Climate Prediction and Application Center in Nairobi, Kenya. Sir, thank you for your time.
Thank you very much.